Yes, my people. Bola Ahmed Tinubu case for Chicago, together with Atiku own. The matter don't catch fire now. Today, like this, where we more than 90 case resume. 90 Tinubu file. They tell the court say, the Chicago court say, make them remove in gender and in transcript where you take enter the school of Chicago. If they want to release any document to Atiku, may they only release in certificate, but may they hide in gender. Listen to the details. Just list. What you will share for me, they're very important.
Release only my certificate to Atiku. Block Chicago University from revealing gender, transcript, other admission records, Tinubu begs judge. President Bola Tinubu has reluctantly allowed a federal judge in the United States to give his university certificate to his political opponents, Atiku Abubakar. But the Nigerian leader pleaded with Judge Nancy Maldonado to block all other details, especially the gender and admission records, among others, of the person who owns the certificate from being disclosed. Mr. Tinubu's prayers on Monday morning came as part of the ongoing legal battle unfolding at the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois in Chicago. The case was brought by Mr. Abubakar, who has been on judicial quest to establish that Mr. Tinubu was not eligible to be Nigeria president, despite his election in February 2023. Mr. Tinubu's acceptance that his certificate could be released came after he narrowly escaped full disclosure on September 21 by pleading severe harm to his life in order to obtain a stay of a magistrate judge's order on September 19. There is harm in allowing discovery on issues and documents outside the diploma, Mr. Tinubu's lawyer said in their full briefing to the court, seeking a review of Judge Jeffrey Gerbert's order by Ms. Maldonado, a district judge. The identity of who was admitted into Chicago State University in the 1970s has been a hot issue after college transcripts emerged that indicated the school admitted a female Bola Tinubu from Southwest College, Chicago in 1977. Whereas Mr. Tinubu's lawyer, led by Victor Henderson and Christopher Carmichael, insisted that the document Mr. Abubakar sought wouldn't be admissible at the Supreme Court. They nonetheless appeared to anticipate the potential for an unfavorable ruling and consequently gave the judge an alternative direction of giving only an order for the school to certify strictly the certificate the president tendered to run for the election. Mr. Gilbert's ruling last week required Chicago State University administrators to confirm under oath whether or not the certificate Mr. Tinubu tendered in Nigeria was genuine. Additionally, the officials were mandated to show a certificate issued to a Chicago State University graduate in 1979 with the person's identification redacted, and to also turn over communications relating to a letter the school issued to Mr. Tinubu in 2022. Mr. Tinubu feared that allowing the disposition of Chicago State University officials to go forward could inflict severe irreparable damage to his life, saying Mr. Abubakar was only on a fishing expedition to fuel online conspiracy theories. In today's filing, a man who identified himself as Olajide Adeniji submitted an affidavit saying he attended school with Mr. Tinubu from 1977 to 1979.